Have you ever felt like the harder you try, the worse things get? Whether it's fixing a problem, achieving a goal, or even falling asleep, sometimes effort backfires. But why does this happen, and how can we change our approach? When we overthink or force things, we create tension, both mentally and physically. Instead of forcing solutions, sometimes stepping back leads to better results. By shifting our mindset, we allow things to unfold naturally, often with better outcomes. We're taught that effort equals success. Work harder, push more, grind longer. But sometimes, effort turns into struggle, and struggle turns into frustration. This is what psychologists call the paradox of effort, when trying too hard actually pushes success further away. Sometimes, stepping back allows things to fall into place more naturally. True success isn't about endless struggle. It's about working smarter, not just harder. When you overthink, you disrupt your natural rhythm. Imagine trying to walk while thinking about every step. You'd stumble, right? The same goes for skills, creativity, and even relationships. Sometimes, the best results come when you stop forcing them. Think of holding onto something too tightly, like sand. The harder you squeeze, the more it slips through your fingers. In life, clinging too hard to control can cause stress and push away the very thing you're chasing. The more you force yourself to sleep, the more awake you feel. The more you try to impress someone, the more awkward you become. This happens because pressure creates resistance. Instead of letting things flow, we create mental blocks that make success harder. When you trust the process, things fall into place. Let go, and flow better. So, if trying harder isn't the answer, what is? The secret lies in effortlessness, not laziness, but ease. This is what athletes call being in the zone. And what Zen masters call Wu Wei, the art of effortless action. Effortlessness doesn't mean doing nothing, it means aligning action with flow. When we embrace effortlessness, we achieve more, not through struggle, but through flow. True success often comes when we shift our mindset. Here's how to focus on the process, relax, and trust the journey. Instead of obsessing over results, shift your focus to the process. When you enjoy the journey, the destination often takes care of itself. Great performers don't force things, they stay loose, yet focused. In sports, music, or even business, a relaxed mind performs better than a tense one. Sometimes, the moment you stop needing something, it comes to you. Letting go doesn't mean giving up, it means trusting the process. By focusing on the process, staying relaxed, and letting go, we unlock the freedom to truly succeed. The harder you try, the worse it gets, because success isn't about force, it's about flow. When you ease into effort, stay present, and let go of unnecessary struggle, you unlock your full potential. Success comes not from pushing harder, but from flowing with intention. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on mastering life with ease. And remember, sometimes, the best way to win is to stop forcing it.